ènìyàn wọ ẹ bá wa wo ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú fọ́nrán
yìí. ẹ fèyí kọ́gbọ́n o kẹ́ má bàa fi ẹ̀wọ̀n gbére gbára o. ẹ̀kọ́ pàtàkì leléyìí o fún gbogbo àwọn ènìyàn tí wọ́n máa ń lo orúkọ ẹlòmíì láti fi lu jìbìtì lórí ayélujára láti fi impersonate yẹn ni wípé kí èèyàn lo orúkọ ẹlòmíì láti fi máa ṣe ìpolówó ọjà tàbí láti fi ṣe sáńbọọdù láti fi ṣe oríṣiríṣi ẹyẹ ènìyàn wa arákùnrin kan tí wọ́n ń pè ní BLORD òun àti Very Dark Man ni o tó jẹ́ wípé àwọn oríṣiríṣi àwọn kan tó ṣe síta ní orúkọ Very Dark Man láì gbàṣẹ ó ti wá gbé arákùnrin yẹn dé ilé ẹjọ́ báyìí o tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé Kújé prison lẹ́ ń wò yìí tí wọ́n sì ti gbé lọ sí Kújé prison òun náà lẹ́ ń wò nínú Black Maria ìyẹn ni BLORD ẹ̀kọ́ pàtàkì lélẹ̀ máa jẹ́ fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ máa ń lo orúkọ ẹlòmíì láì gbàṣẹ láti fi ṣe ìpolówó ọjà tàbí àwòrán ènìyàn tàbí fọ́tò láì gba àṣẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹnìyẹn kẹ́ ẹ tó lò ó ẹ̀kọ́ pàtàkì lélẹ́yìí o torí pé rògbòdìyàn oríṣiríṣi fàmìfà tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Very Dark Man àti BLORD láti ọjọ́ bíi mélòó kan sẹ́yìn tàbí oṣù mélòó kan sẹ́yìn ibi tí wọ́n padà yanjú ẹ̀sìn náà lélẹ́yìí o tó jẹ́ wípé poor man pikin ó padà rán Billionaire lọ sí ẹ̀wọ̀n ó ti wà ní Kújé prison tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé wọ́n ló máa lo ọjọ́ mẹ́rìndínlọ́gbọ̀n ìyẹn 26 days ni wọ́n ní adájọ́ fún wípé ó máa lò ní Kújé prison látàrí àwọn nǹkan tó ṣe tó jẹ́ wípé wọ́n ní criminality ni wípé ìwà ọ̀daràn ni irú ìwà bẹ́ẹ̀ wípé kí èèyàn máa lo àwòrán ènìyàn tàbí fídíò èèyàn tàbí máa fi ṣe ìpolówó ọjà láì gbàṣẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹnìyẹn kó o tó lò ó ìpolówó ọjà tó ń ṣe tó dẹ̀ ń gba owó ẹ̀ sọ́wọ́ ṣùgbọ́n ẹni tó ń lo àwòrán ẹ̀ kò mọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀ kò mọ̀ sí i ó dẹ̀ ń sọ fún àwọn ènìyàn wípé ẹnìyẹn o òun ló ní àwọn nǹkan tí ìwọ ń ṣe yẹn ó dẹ̀ gbàṣẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹni tó ní àwòrán eléyìí ló rán BLORD lọ sí ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n ní Kújé prison báyìí o. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tó kù tẹ́ wà lórí ayélujára tẹ́ ń wúrú àwọn ìwà báyìí ẹ kíyèsára ò torí pé ọjọ́ ń bọ̀ lólúwa wí o gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tó wà lórí ayélujára tàbí láti máa lo orúkọ ènìyàn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹlòmíì máa ṣí Facebook ṣí Instagram ṣí TikTok lórúkọ ẹlòmíì tó dẹ̀ yẹ pé ẹnìyẹn ò ní mọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀ tí wọ́n á dẹ̀ fi máa scam àwọn èèyàn wọ́n á fi máa gba owó lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn lórí ayélujára gbogbo àwọn nǹkan wọn báwọn yìí ni ó lòdì sí òfin tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé tí wọ́n bá gbárùfẹ́ ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ mú ẹ̀wọ̀n ni ẹnìyẹn máa fi gbára irú àwọn kan wọ̀nyí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí BLORD o látàrí bó ṣe ń lo àwòrán Very Dark Man láti fi ṣe ìpolówó ọjà láti fi ṣe advertisement tó ti ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ àwọn ènìyàn gẹ́gẹ́ bí ohun tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ nílé ẹjọ́ lẹ́ni ibẹ̀ náà lẹ ti ń wò tí Very Dark Man ń lọ yẹn Kújé prison ni wọ́n ń tẹ̀lé BLORD lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn tí wọ́n sì ti gbé lọ sí Kújé prison ẹ̀yin tí ẹ kù náà tẹ̀ ń wúrú àwọn wà báyìí ẹ ti ọwọ́ ọmọ yín baṣọ o kẹ́ ẹ má bàa fi ẹ̀wọ̀n kẹ́ ẹ fi gbára.
BLORD don dey go prison don dey there for go dey there spend the Easter BLORD go spend Easter for there.
Yes.
So we go escort BLORD now.
Yes.
We are escorting him. Put it here. We dey escort BLORD now. They go prison. He's going to spend Easter there. What did he do? He impersonated me. He used my image to do advert, unapproved. Unapproved. He put a big board of my face, unapproved. All of this, he claimed he paid me 500 million naira. You understand? So now we go prison. He say, "Now be the old brand, I get money." We go escort him. Now we want to escort and go drop for prison. So we are all going to go. This is the Black Maria where it is. You understand? So all of us will go prison now. Alpha, go escort this man go prison. All right. So as you can see, I am escorting BLORD to Kújé prison. We don't dey road to Kújé. Show them where BLORD is inside the Black Maria. Show them. Very good. Come back. So I want to make sure that I see him enter inside that prison. You know, saying say call pass call. They say there's no ignorance in the law. This is not defamation. Me, you can insult me, insult my mama, just the way they always do. Call me, call my mama a shower, say a lot of things. You know, they say I be a gigi, I dey sleep people. All those one no be problem. But when you want to be criminal, no, that one ain't problem there. So today, it was arraigned in court. So we were all in court. As we did court, they read all his charges to him. When they read all his charges, of course, he pleaded not guilty. So for the case to start, they don't remand him first. The case was adjourned, so he had to be remanded. So he's been remanded for 26 days. So we are going back to court on the 27th. So right now he's going to be in prison for 26 whole days. He go do Easter for prison. Now, what are the charges that they read out to him? That's him, BLORD. He used my pictures unauthorized. We didn't have any discussion, nothing. This guy carried my picture. First of all, he said I was his brand ambassador. That one passed. Again, this guy now used my face and posted it on his Billpoints. He used it and edited it with his Billpoints app and said that Very Dark Man has approved Billpoints as the #1 app, me, without my permission. This same app, some persons are complaining that this app, they scam them. BLORD does say me approve him. Not just that, this guy went to go and forge a fake flight ticket and posted it online that we have an agreement that I was going to join him to go and launch Blunt Gadget in Onitsha. Because of the way he posted it, a lot of people believe that it was true. People come full Onitsha, think say Very Dark Man, they come Onitsha, which is not true. Other than that, this guy claimed that he trademarked Rattel, which is still not true. He went to go and open an app under Rattel. Do you understand? All of this, not true. Again, this guy went to go and do billboard of my face. Do you understand? Without my permission. Then there was another video where it was with this guy that his mouth squirts. This guy, they come on speak for mouth, to be that name. Kataife. If they take Kataife, say, he paid me 500 million naira that he signed me to be his ambassador. All of this not true. Do you understand? All of these things are criminal. Don't be defamation where you go insult person. No, these are criminal. And what do I do on social media? I catch criminals. Do you understand? Do you understand? I catch criminals. So right now, we dey go courts. We dey go prison. One make sure say enter. Not just that. Now Nigerians, you see this country, we need to know. This is also an awareness. Imagine say you wake up in the morning, come see yourself for billboard without your permission. Come on. Or just the way they do, carry my picture, carry and put everywhere. You don't understand? I say, no. If not like that, people know they get brand ambassador. Davido, Wizkid, Burna Boy, them. All of them, they know they do brand ambassadorship now. You could just carry anybody picture. Do you understand? So me, I cannot build my integrity for a long time. I said I don't do promotion, I don't do advert. I don't bounce more than 700 million naira for adverts when I no agree do. Ambassadorship deal, I bounce them. Then you go carry my face. Nobody say you even carry and do it. You carry and go promote an app where people they complain, say they scam them. Let's take him to prison first. Show them. We they go Kujo now, Kujo we dey.
Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa ṣe ti bá wa gbọ́ àlàyé lẹ́nu Very Dark Man dáadáa bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ nírú ìwà bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ tẹ́ ń lo àwòrán àwọn èèyàn láti fi máa pa owó lórí ayélujára, láti fi máa ṣe ìpolówó ọjà láì gbàṣẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹnìyẹn, ó léwu o. Òfin ò fàyè gbà o. Ẹ jáwọ́ ń bẹ̀ o, bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ kẹ́ má bàa fi ẹ̀wọ̀n gbára, kán má bàa lọ jù yín sí ẹ̀wọ̀n gbére. Ẹyẹ ènìyàn wọ jẹ́ kárí èròǹgbà yín ní abẹ́ fọ́nrán yìí. Ní orí ìkànnì wa níbí ni Àṣàkẹ́ TV show, Àṣàkẹ́ TV, níbi tá a ti máa mú àwọn ìròyìn àjàǹbalẹ̀ wá fún wa. Ẹ tẹ̀lé wa lórí ìkànnì Àṣà tí Ìṣe ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Àṣàkẹ́ TV show.